Hey guys, today we're making the action battle Hoth generator attack. This is Lego Star Wars. This is for 7-Up set. This is Lego set 75239. There's 235 pieces. We got the Stormtrooper, the Snow Trooper. In the back, it shows you what you can do with the set. So if you shoot this, it can hit these two and they can act like they're all broken up. And then we got the minifigs right down here. So let's get this open and start getting building. So we got bag number 1. And then we got instructions. A little bigger than our last video. I made our last video a couple days ago, so I have the same photos because I watched it. The same. So this is bag number 2. Actually, I have more bags than last video as well. Bag number 3. That's it. Let's get building. we are now done. So I had lots of fun building it. I've actually gotten, out of this set, I got a new character, the Snow Trooper. First time getting him. Very happy for that. And there's a couple things I wanted to show you, so don't know if it's gonna work, so don't be laughing at me in the comments, please. But if so, apparently when you shoot this is supposed to go like that, and it's supposed to hit off the thing. So let's try it. See if it works. So it didn't work, but I don't know. Maybe we can put some more force into it. But let's try it off the other one. Move these two ones to the side. Let's see if the other one works. It works. It shot off the guy. It shot off the stormtrooper. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that little bell down in the notifications. Turn on the notifications for when we post new videos. Please subscribe. Hit that like button. And thank you for watching. Bye.